Welcome everyone! The touchscreen on your iPhone has given up. Now the good news is this is a software problem, so it can be fixed very easily. There's no damage to the iPhone. And what we need to do is force restart. I'm going to show you what to press and then we'll do it together. So we need to click release volume up, then click release volume down, and then click and hold the power button until we see Apple logo, then we release. So pause the video, prepare your phone, and then I will begin in 3, 2, 1. Click release volume up, click release volume down, clicking on the power button, keep this one held down. You probably won't see this slide to power off screen, just keep on holding this button. What you will see is the screen should go black. There we go, very nice. Once it goes black, just keep on holding and wait until you see the Apple logo. And there's a couple of things you should know as well. After the restart, we're going to check our storage. If your storage level is low, this issue will just continue to happen. Okay, it will literally just happen constantly. You might need to clear up some storage on your device. So inside the settings, if you go to general and then you go into iPhone storage, you can see I have a ton of storage left. That just meant this was a one-off issue. You shouldn't worry about it too much. But if you have barely any storage left, this will just happen frequently. So you must free up some storage. You can either delete apps or you can delete photos. Just make sure if you delete stuff that you also delete it from the recently deleted folder as well. Real quick, YouTube do not promote my videos like they used to. So if you found this video useful, it really would mean the world to me if you hit the like button down below and just left a comment saying, hey, I found this video useful, thank you. Or if you did not find this video useful, just any questions, any concerns, let me know. I'll try and get back to you. Have a nice rest of your day. Bye-bye.